Okay, what's good, y'all? This is the video recording for this worksheet here. So the first question is saying that each of these shapes are made from 6 unit cubes. So it's good to take in mind that 1 unit cube equals to 1 centimeter. I mean each side. So they are asking for which is the smallest surface area. So the top part here, we all know that the cube has 6 faces, right? So this one is clearly blocked, so that means this top part here only has 5 faces. This whole stretch here, which is about 1, 2, 3, 4, has 4 faces. And then the last one here, similar to the top one, has 5 faces. So looking for this will be 4 times 5 plus another 5, and this will give us 26 centimeters square. Yeah, really easy. So if I erase all of this, my bad. So this shape, this long one here will be 26 centimeters. Okay, keep in mind 26. The second one is slightly harder. This shape right here, the C. This, we all know that cubes have 6 sides. This only has, well, 1 side covered. So this is 5 faces. Here, there are 2 faces covered. The one over here and the one over here. So this will be 4 faces. These two are the same. Only, yeah, well, both sides are covered. So this would be 4 as well. Same goes to this part here, because it's similar to the one on top, 4. And then this would be 5. So the working would be 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Yeah. So this will give us 26 centimeters square. Alright. So yeah. And then yeah, pretty easy. So this shape here will be 26 centimeters square. This one right here is also simple. Just gonna label one of these. So the first, we're gonna label the ones that are similar. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 2, and there's 3. It all makes sense in a while. So for number 1, it will be, since only one side is covered, so ones would be 5 faces. The 2's, because there's only 2, will only have 4 faces. And then the last one, the 3, so 3 faces are covered, 1, 2, and 3. This will give us 3 sides. So if I were to do all together, it would be 5 multiplied by 2 plus 4 times 2 and add another 3. So this will give us another 26 cm square, right? So this is one shortcut, this one way to do it, this is another way to do it. You can label it, do it however whatever you, however one you want to do. And then for this shape, it is slightly harder, but do not worry. We're going to use back the same method, the labeling method. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 2, 2, 3, and 3. So I label this 2, 1. If you still don't get it, it's because 3 sides are covered. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. For number 2, only 2 sides are covered, which is these 2 here. And the number 3s, only 1 side are covered. So it is easier to segregate, to know which is which. So for the number 1s, they will only have 3 sides, correct? Number 2s will have 2 sides. Hold up. Right, little bit of confusion here. So number 2 would be 6 minus 4, 2 sides, and then 6 minus 1 for number 3 equals 5 sides. So we'll be looking for this would be 3 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2 plus 5 multiplied by 2. This would give us 25 centimeters square. Really simple. So take your time to copy this if you want. So now we know that this is 25 centimeters squares. And the last one, crucifix, if you would call it. This again, we will use the labeling method. This one is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, and 3. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So number 1, as you can see, only 1 side is covered. That will give us 5 sides. The number 2s, 1, 2, 3, 4s are covered, so that will only give us 2 faces that we can see. Number 3s, that will give us 1, 2 faces covered, so 4 faces total. So really easy. 5 multiplied by 4 plus 2 plus another 4, and this will give us 26 centimeters square. Okay, the answer is evident. It is obviously this shape that is the smallest. So kudos, congratulations. So I will clear all these and then on to the next question. Hold on. Yep, so this is the answer. With 25 centimeters square. Okay. For this, we all know that a cube has 6 sides. So, it is saying that the total surface area for a cube is 96 centimeters square, right? So it's asking us to find the length of the cube. So it's really easy, right? So first have to divide 96 divided by 6. The answer that you will get should be 16. Now 16 is 16 centimeters square is the total surface area of each face. That's not what we want. We want the sides. So to complete it, just have to take the square root of 16, and that will be 4. So yeah. So hence the answer for this question is 4 centimeters. Understood. Alright, so pretty simple stuff. Second one, similar things. So it's asking you, cube has a surface area of 294 centimeters squared. This is the total surface area. Same thing as before, find the side length, but this time we have to label it as x. So x would be equivalent to 294 divided by, centimeters square divided by 6. Now we take the answer and then we take the square root of the answer. So 294 divided by 6, that will give us 49. So the square root of 49, very easy. If you know multiplications, it would be 7. So hence x equals 7 centimeters. Really easy. The formula is the same. Just have to take the total length of the total surface area of the cube. You divide it by how many faces are there, and then you take the square root of the answer. Really simple. Last one, question 7. Cube has a surface area of 150. Smaller now. Find the volume. This is different. It is also quite simple. So we have to find the side first in order to find the volume. So same thing, 150 divided by 6, that would give us 25, and then the square root of 25 is 5 centimeters. Now that we've gotten one side, we all know that the volume of a shape is the length cubed. So in this case, 5 cubed would give us 125. Right? Yes, 125. Yep. So this is the answer. 125 centimeter cube. That's the volume. Now take a moment to remember all this. 4 centimeters. This shape 7 centimeters. 125 cm cube. Now for this question number 8. Quite simple as well, actually. hold on. Okay, sorry. Now, this question, it says that the surface area, sorry, there's a typo, never mind, of the triangular prism below is 96 centimeters square. Find x. So let's draw out the shape. My drawing. I'm drawing using a mouse. Let's label it. So this slanted part here will be 5 centimeters. This straight part here will be 4, 3, and x. Keep in mind this is a right angle triangle. Okay. Now we all know that this whole thing has a surface area of 96 centimeters squared. Correct. So really easy. This is the formula to find the area of a prism. Really simple. So what you're gonna take is the area of the cross section. I'll explain it in a minute why is it. Multiplied by 2 to get both sides, and then you have to add the perimeter of the cross section, and then you multiply it by how long it is. So in this case it is, wait, yeah, so this is the formula. Really it's simple to remember. So in this case it's 4 times 3, that will give us 12. 12 divided by 2, 6, then of course you have to multiply it back by 2 and 12 again. So 12 plus the perimeter, that would be 7 plus 5 and another 12, then you multiply it by x. Okay, just have to reverse it. First thing that we do is minus 96 with 12. Yeah, so that will give us 84 centimeters. That since we minus 12, 12 times x. Then we multiply 12 times x together, that will give us 12x. And then, so we take 84, we divide it by 12, and then that will give us equals x. So that means x here would be 7 centimeters. Okay, question 9. This is quite difficult to do. So we're still going to keep this formula. Okay. It's a really handy one in case you forget everything during the exam. Second one. It is said that the surface area of the following prisms are equal. So now we're going to find y, which is the height here of, well, I'm assuming it's a rhombus. So this cuboid, I think, yeah, cuboid here has an area of 6 times 7 would be 42. Let's check that. yeah, multiply it by 2, add another 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 7 perimeter, remember 26, and then multiply it by 11. So this will give us, so here will be 84, here will be 286, get it right. Hold up. And sorry, yeah, then this would give us 370 cm square. Yep. So they said that these two shapes are equal in terms of surface area, so that lessens our burden. Wait, I just erased the answer. Yeah, I did. Okay. So right now it's really easy. We know that each of the shapes is 370 centimeters square. So here we have y, which is the height, times 5, which is the area of the cross section, multiplied by 2. For that we add 5 plus 7. Remember, we're not counting the height and the perimeter, it becomes sides. 5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 5, that will give us 24, multiplied with 12, the depth. So this will give us 10y